What up? Welcome back to OG Eats. Got some quick hamburgers I gotta make up. Hang on, let me get some cheese. There we go. Get some cheese on. Melt that little bitch for a minute. Yeah. Got the buns right here. Some onion. That's all I had. Wish I had more, but I don't. So here we go. And there we go. Plate it up. Got ketchup and mustard. Mustard, ketchup. Yeah, let's do this. There we go. Before I put that bun on top and then start eating it. Yeah. Easy meal. Easy fucking meal. Yeah. But first, the fucking cross look. Cut and look and see how good you did it. Yeah. Pretty well done, I'd say. I don't know. Did 6 minutes aside. Pretty thick, juicy burgers. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Little breakfast for me. Man. Cheeseburgers. Late morning or it's afternoon. It's like 1:12 right now. PM. I stay up late. I sleep late. I didn't get to sleep for a little bit this morning, so I slept a little longer. Here we are. I usually eat around this time, between 11 and 1:30. Just depends on the day. Yeah. Cheeseburger at home. I wish I put bacon and mushrooms on it and all that. Hell yeah, but no time to think about that shit. I was hungry. Just trying to get her done. You know? Just trying to get her done. What up on this t-shirt, yo? What do you know about that? Wu-Tang, motherfucker. I made these a while ago. Like a long ass time ago. Been through the washer and dryer a few times. More than a few, but many, many years. That's why it's all faded looking. Adds to it, you know? Gives it character. Yeah. What do you know about this album? This is like my favorite RZA solo album. It was the first one. But man, to me it's a classic. Came out in the 90s sometime. I don't know what year. One of those. I think Wu-Tang hit in 92. I don't know. And before that, RZA was in Gravediggers. Or that was his group, or whatever it was, I don't know. Yeah. Classic hip-hop, man. And Wu's always kept it real. Yeah. Alright. Think that's good. You know what to do. All that cringy YouTube crap. Like, subscribe, share, comment, watch the, what's it called? Playlist that pops up on the screen if I actually do an end screen. Or I might forget. Who knows, but there you go. Have a good one, guys. Peace. Yeah.